You work hard, but you can't talk about money in English. This lesson is for beginner English learners who stay silent about salary because they don't know the polite words. By the end, you'll ask about pay confidently without sounding rude or desperate. Skip one phrase today and you'll keep accepting less money than you're worth. Brian, have you ever wanted to ask about salary but stayed quiet?
Yes, I was terrified I'd say something wrong.
You're not alone, but there's actually a safe way to ask.
When's the right time to bring it up?
In interviews, wait until they say, "Do you have any questions?" Then it's your turn.
What exact words do I use?
Don't say, "How much money?" That's too direct. Americans think it sounds pushy.
So what should I say?
Say, "What's the salary range for this position?"
Range, not just what's the salary.
Exactly. Range sounds professional. Practice. Say, "What's the salary range for this position?"
What's the salary range for this position?
Good. Say it again.
What's the salary range for this position?
Perfect. Now, let's say they answer $50,000, but you wanted more.
Do I just say no?
Never say no immediately. Say, "I was hoping for something higher."
That's it?
That's it. It's polite, but clear. You're opening the door to negotiate.
I always thought negotiating was rude.
In American work culture, they expect it. If you don't negotiate, they think you don't value yourself.
Really? That's so different.
I know. So practice this. Say, "I was hoping for something higher."
I was hoping for something higher.
Excellent. Now here's what happens next. They'll ask what number you want.
That part scares me.
Here's the trick. Research first. Find the average salary online, then ask for 10% more.
Why more than average?
Because they'll negotiate down. You'll meet in the middle.
Oh, that's smart.
So if average is 60,000, say, "I'm looking for around 65,000.
Why around? Why not exactly 65?
Around gives flexibility. It sounds less demanding, more open.
I'm looking for around 65,000.
Much better. Now, salary isn't everything. Benefits matter too.
Like health insurance?
Yes, insurance, vacation time, retirement, all of it.
How do I ask about that stuff?
Easy. Say, "What benefits does the company offer?"
Just that?
Just that. Practice. Say, "What benefits does the company offer?"
What benefits does the company offer?
Good. Say it again.
What benefits does the company offer?
Perfect. But what if you already have a job? You want a raise?
That's even scarier.
Most people never ask, but you should, every year or two.
What if my boss gets mad?
Good bosses won't, and if they do, that tells you something about the company.
True. So how do I start?
Schedule a meeting. Don't just walk up to them randomly.
What do I say in the meeting?
Say, "I'd like to discuss my compensation," not salary. Compensation sounds more professional.
I'd like to discuss my compensation.
Exactly. Then explain why you deserve more. Give specific examples.
Like what?
Say, "I've taken on more responsibilities this year," or "I've been here 2 years and I've grown a lot."
Should I say a specific number?
Always. Don't make them guess. Say, "I'm requesting a raise to $70,000.
Wow, that feels really direct.
It is, but clear is good. Practice. Say, "I'm requesting a raise to $70,000.
I'm requesting a raise to $70,000.
Excellent. Say it again.
I'm requesting a raise to $70,000.
Now, here's the biggest mistake people make.
What?
They apologize. They say, "Sorry to bother you," or "I hope this is okay."
I definitely do that.
Stop. You're not bothering anyone. You're a professional discussing your value.
That's hard to remember, though.
I know, but apologizing makes you seem unsure. Just state what you want.
No apologizing. Got it.
Good. One more situation. They offer you a job, but the pay is low.
Can I still negotiate after they offer?
That's actually your best time.
Why?
Because they already chose you. They don't want to start interviews over.
That makes sense.
So say, I'm excited about this opportunity. However, I was hoping for closer to 65,000.
I like that. Positive but firm.
Exactly. You're not rejecting the offer, just improving it.
What if they say they can't pay more?
Ask for other things, more vacation, remote work, a signing bonus.
Oh, I never thought of that.
Most people don't, but it all has value.
This changes everything.
Here's one last thing. Never tell a new employer your current salary.
Wait, why not?
Because they'll base their offer on that. If you're underpaid now, you'll stay underpaid.
What do I say when they ask?
Say, I'd prefer to focus on the value I bring to this role.
That's good.
It protects you. Practice. Say, I'd prefer to focus on the value I bring to this role.
I'd prefer to focus on the value I bring to this role.
Perfect. Say it again.
I'd prefer to focus on the value I bring to this role.
You're ready. Talking about money isn't rude, it's professional.
I actually feel prepared now.
Good. You deserve fair pay. Now, here's a question for you. What's the hardest part of salary conversations for you? Leave a comment and let us know. And if this helped, subscribe for more real English lessons.